Welcome to ASL BPO. This is Sushmita Saab, Digital Marketing Executive of this amazing business process outsourcing firm that you're about to visit. And today I will be your host. So wait no more, let me take you to a short trip to our workstation.
Currently, our company has over 200 highly skilled professional employees, but this journey of ours started with only 4 employees providing small back-office support services to a few businesses in the USA. We have teamed up with countless global companies, which has led to our today's pride of being the best BPO company in Bangladesh.
Meet the back office executives of ASL BPO. ASL BPO is a people place where all the employees are treated equally. They have full freedom to share their ideas and beliefs. This is the corner where we get our break time snacks. Let's see what others are doing. Here at ASL BPO, we work like a family. This is our training room where the most talented virtual assistants from ASL BPO get trained. Now meet some cool people of our calling department.
We master the metamorphosis of the imperiled connection between business automation and industry success.